Hi everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to bring your stories to life using Adobe Express. This tutorial will focus on how to use the Animate characters feature within Adobe Express, as well as how to access the thousands of Adobe Stock assets, which include royalty-free still images, videos and audio files that are also found within Adobe Express to help you create awesome video stories. I'm going to ask some of my favorite animated characters found within Adobe Express to help me present this tutorial.
Hi, I'm Chloe.
Hi Chloe.
I'm Dr. Applesmith.
Hi Dr. Applesmith, nice to see you again.
It's lovely to see you as well, Dr. Kitchen. I'm Milton, the funny bunny.
Hi Milton. Let's get started.